Jackie, how's it going?
Wait, man, good thing you called, man. I got something, man. This could be big for us.
You still got that plan you were talking about?
Yeah. You in? We can go tonight. Drop by my place and I'll tell you all about it. Oh, bring a car, okay? Mine's in the shop.
You look like shouldn't you be in the night market or somewhere?
What? Can I help you? You go enjoy yourself.
Hey, Jackie.
Let's head to Kennedy Town. I'll explain on the way.
So what's the plan?
We're going down to the shipyard. 18K are bringing in a big shipment in the jewelry. Goods from a big heist they pulled in the States. I guess they'll figure it'll be easier to sell here. I hear it's good stuff. Diamonds, rubies. Could be a good payday.
Yeah, it could be.
Whoa! I haven't been sleeping too well. Not since that thing.
Yeah?
Every time I close my eyes, I see that guy. Not that he didn't deserve it, I guess. It's just... Man, I don't know. Sometimes I wake up and I have this bad feeling. I've never had that before. That's why I want this job. Low-key, good payday. Oh, shit! Whoa! Nothing.
So how's Jume?
She's good. She's good. I haven't talked to her in a while. Let's wait till it gets darker. Here, put this on. Yeah. Hey, wait. You ever think about what you're going to do after this?
After what?
All this. I mean, you're not exactly cut out for anything else.
Guess not. You always have options, Jackie.
You think so? I don't... Yo, the jewels are in the van over there by the container.
What if it's locked?
No problem. There are heavy-duty tools in the shed just over there. You get the tools, I'll scout the containers. Meet me there when you have something to cut the lock, okay?
So then, she says to me, huh? I don't do that on the first...
Hey, what are you doing here?
Garbage collection.
Oh, sorry, brother. Didn't recognize you.
Hey, who are you?
Hey, keep your voice down. I'm sneaking into that warehouse up there and you're making way too much noise. If you don't shut the hell up, I'll have to slit your fucking throat.
Oh, sorry. You won't hear me again.
jewels are in the van over there by the container.
Okay, this thing should cut through anything. Is anyone around?
Yeah, man, a couple of 18K guys. They're not armed, though.
Let's go.
Hey, who the fuck?
Yeah, fuckers!
Shit, Jackie, you sure they're here?
Yes, trust me, okay? What the? Wait! Man, go get them, Wait, fuck them!
Great work, man. We got him, Van Pokai!
Wait, hold on, look around.
What the?
You shit.
Fuck!
Help me, Way.
Come on! Eat some asphalt, asshole. Jackie!
Eat this, Pokai! How you like that, huh? Cocksucker!
Let's go fence this stuff. It's the usual place. Fat Wally lamb shop. Let's go.
I wouldn't leave you, Jackie.
I know. Damn, Way.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
Hey, thanks, Way. I wouldn't be here without you, man. No way. I'll always appreciate it.
I should be doing a better job getting you back.
She's not your fault, Way. I'm, thinking about a lot of things. Rethinking them, maybe. Not our friendship. Bad things that have happened, they're my responsibility. I know that.
Shit.
It's okay, Way. You don't gotta say anything. Friends, man. Friends. Let's do it. Follow me.
Don't move! You're under arrest!
Where are the others?
It's just me, boys. Just me.
Andrew, you piece of shit.
Unsaved poke guy.